ayun o. First few minutes ng hike. Look at that! Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Hanauma Bay Ridge Trail. Mas maganda yung daan dito kasi mas sementado siya all the way dun sa end ng trail. Nakakapagod. I think maiksi lang yung trail pero yung elevation is mataas. Kaya good luck. So yung daan dito is mas maayos compared sa mga previous hike. May nakikita akong trail pa doon. Not sure kung yan yung pinakadulo. Yan o, yung daan na yan. Kita kong tao na naglalakad. Not sure kung yan yung dulo ng trail. So, malayo pa. I think ito yung pinakamaiksi kong vlog kasi konti lang yung yung mga nakikita kong sa place. Sementado siya. One straight line lang yung trail. Yan. So, not
very
much.
Very friendly siya, guys.
Very friendly.
Pwedeng all ages.
Not much of an adventure, like risky, pero yeah, very good experience. Is really good. Ngayon pababa na kami, a very short trail, elevated lang sa entrance, pero pagdating mo sa taas it's very windy and yeah, I guess the view is really worth it. Yung bundok na yun, makikita yan yung Cocohead. Nakakita kami dyan once.
Ulitin ba?
I'm not sure. Medyo mahirap actually, puro hagdan lang siya eh. Just napaka-elevated niya all throughout, almost 1,000 steps. And nakapagod sobra yan. Mananakit talaga. Papunta, pabalik yung pa. But anyway, worth to try. It's really good, especially sa pinaka-taas. Tapos lang ng hike, yan, dito na ulit kami sa entrance.
Hi, we made it!